Click on the link below to get price. The MIXPATIO Patio Furniture Set with Coffee Table is an outdoor conversation set designed to enhance your outdoor living experience. This set includes 2 chairs and a coffee table, making it a suitable choice for small gatherings on the patio, balcony, or garden. The design aims to combine both comfort and style, making it an interesting option for those looking to create a cozy outdoor space. At first glance, the overall aesthetic of the MIXPATIO set is appealing. The chairs feature a modern design with a simple yet elegant appearance, which can complement various outdoor decors. The cushions are padded, offering a level of comfort that invites relaxation, whether you are enjoying a quiet morning coffee or hosting friends for an afternoon chat. The coffee table, which accompanies the chairs, provides ample surface space for drinks, snacks, or even decorative items like potted plants or candles. One of the key features of this outdoor furniture set is its construction. The materials used are designed to withstand outdoor conditions, which is essential for longevity. The durable frame is typically made from a sturdy metal, while the cushions are covered with weather-resistant fabric. This construction aims to ensure that the set remains functional and aesthetically pleasing despite exposure to the elements. In terms of usage, the MIXPATIO set is relatively easy to assemble, with clear instructions included in the package. Once set up, the furniture can be arranged in various configurations to suit your space and preferences. The lightweight nature of the chairs allows for easy rearrangement as needed, which can be particularly useful for those who enjoy changing the layout of their outdoor area. Cleaning and maintenance are also considerations for outdoor furniture. The removable cushion covers can usually be washed, and the surfaces of the chairs and table can be wiped down with a damp cloth. This ease of maintenance can contribute to the longevity of the set, making it a practical choice for those who prefer low-maintenance outdoor furniture. In summary, the MIXPATIO Patio Furniture Set with Coffee Table offers a blend of comfort, style, and durability for outdoor spaces. Its modern design, ease of assembly, and manageable upkeep make it a thoughtful addition to any patio or garden area. For those looking to enhance their outdoor living experience, this set presents a viable option worth considering.